Family law basics. Understanding what it entails. The family is the basic unit of the society, and nothing is as important as having laws that safeguard it. Lemus, renowned lawyer in Attleboro, says family law is a legal framework that focuses on issues regarding families, helping to solve issues and protect individuals within the family. There are significant times that might come up in the home, from happy moments like marriage and child adoption to trying times like divorce to child custody and support. Whether you are planning a marriage, facing separation, or raising children, knowledge of the law is essential to make informed decisions or resolve disputes effectively. Expert in family law, Lemus delves into the basics of family law and important things you need to know to get you armed with the right knowledge in matters relating to family. Marriage and divorce. Marriage is the foundation of the family. That is why many states require the couple to be at least 18 years before they can tie the knot. The parties are also not expected to be related closely by blood, and they should be matured enough to understand the intricacies of what they are diving into. You also need to get a marriage license, which is issued by the state, and a ceremony officiated by a legally recognized individual. Premarital agreements, or prenuptial agreements, are contracts entered into before marriage. These documents outline how assets, debts, and other matters will be handled in case of divorce or the death of the spouse. This agreement is mostly entered into when one or both of the parties come into the marriage with heavy liabilities or assets. Then, there is dissolution of marriage through divorce, when the married couple decides they do not want to be together anymore. Divorce is not as easy as people think, and there is a lot that goes into it. Lemus says, if the couple has kids, who will they live with? How do they take turns to be with each parent? How will property be decided? There is also spousal support to look into. Joseph adds, couples just don't divorce. There are grounds in which divorce must take place. While some jurisdictions allow for fault-based divorces, requiring proof of misconduct, many places have adopted no-fault divorce laws, focusing on the irreconcilable breakdown of the marriage. There are also factors that can influence the outcome of the divorce. This includes the length of the marriage, the financial circumstances of both spouses, the presence and ages of children, and the overall standard of living during the marriage. Child custody and support. When the couple with children decides to go their separate ways, they will have to sort out the child custody and support. However, child custody are of different types, which include illegal custody, physical custody, joint custody, and sole custody. Legal custody involves decision-making power on matters such as education, healthcare, and religion, while physical custody concerns where the child stays or who the child stays with. Joint custody, where both parents share legal and physical custody, is often favored, but sole custody may be granted in certain circumstances. Lemus says no matter what happens, the court will always prioritize the child's best interest during custody. They will consider the child's age, emotional well-being, relationship with each parent, and the stability of each parent's home environment. Child support is another critical component, ensuring the financial support of children after a separation or divorce. Child support covers expenses such as housing, food, clothing, healthcare, and education. The amount of child support is based on calculation, and it puts into consideration the non-custodial parent's income, the time the child spends with each parent, number of children, healthcare expenses, and cost of child care. Adoption. Adoption is a legal process that establishes a parent-child